Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we help you learn everything you need to know about online marketing. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of affiliate marketing and explaining how it works. First off, what is affiliate marketing? At its core, affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where a business rewards affiliates for each customer brought in by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. The affiliate promotes the product or service to potential customers, and when someone makes a purchase, the affiliate receives a commission. So, how does affiliate marketing work? It all starts with the affiliate joining an affiliate program offered by a company. Once they're accepted into the program, they're given a unique tracking link or code that they can use to promote the company's product or service. The affiliate then uses various marketing channels to promote the product, such as social media, email marketing, or blogging. When a potential customer clicks on the tracking link or uses the code, they're taken to the company's website, where they can make a purchase. Once the purchase is complete, the company can track the sale back to the affiliate who referred the customer. The affiliate then receives a commission for the sale, which can vary based on the terms of the affiliate program. And there you have it, a quick overview of what affiliate marketing is and how it works. If you're interested in becoming an affiliate marketer yourself, there are plenty of companies out there that offer affiliate programs in a variety of industries. Just be sure to do your research and find a program that's a good fit for you and your audience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. See you next time.